Are you ready to start, set up, and run your own house cleaning services business from the ground up? Do you want to learn how to grow a $50,000 home cleaning service business from scratch? Want to know the true cost to start a house cleaning business? Well, you could start your own cleaning service for less than $2,000. Here's the breakdown. House cleaning services licenses and permits prices range from $30 to $60 if you register as a sole proprietor, or $100 to $500 if you register as a limited liability company or corporation. Home cleaning service insurance and bonding cost range from $500 to $3,500 annually depending on number of employees. House cleaning equipment and products, $300 to $600 depending on the type of tools. Home cleaning service advertising range from $100 to $200 for print and online marketing. House cleaning labor rates range from $11 to $12 per employee.
And we would love to help you. You need a guide, someone with experience who knows the way to success. Actually, check this out.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Hey guys, Houston here, and today we're going to talk about how to start a $50,000 cleaning business. And the reason we want to learn this is because a lot of people, they can teach you how to make money, but they're not teaching you how to start a business. You want to be able to build a business that you can have your name on it so that you can continue growing it. It's something that you can pass on as a part of your legacy. So I'm going to teach you how to start a $50,000 cleaning business. And the first thing that I always tell you guys is set up the corporation as well as open a business bank account. And there's a reason that you want to do that first, okay? Now, the second thing you want to do is you want to work for an established cleaning company. So you want to find a cleaning company that's doing residential, and you want to find a cleaning company that's doing commercial. So you want to work for each of these companies for 6 months each. And the reason that is because you want to be able to learn their cleaning process. Okay, if they're established business, they must have a system. They must have a formula that's working, that's keeping them in business. So that way you're learning about what's the best cleaning products for residential, what's the best cleaning products for commercial. You're learning about what's the most economical way for you to clean a house as well as clean a business. So these are things that you want to do. Now, as you go seeking employment for these cleaning companies, you want to have them to pay the money to your corporation. And the reason you want them to pay the money to your corporation, so that way if your credit is challenged or you have bad credit, then you're still able to use your financial statements to get qualified for funding without using a personal guarantee or your personal credit. So working for these two companies for a year and you're having revenues paid to your corporation is building that relationship with the banks, and other financial institutions will see these documentation and be willing to give you funding for your business to help it grow. Now, here's another thing. Because you're having money paid to your corporation instead of you, you're going to pay less taxes, for one. Also, another thing is going to build up your business credit, again, your financial statements, as well as your business bank rating, which is going to look good. Now, granted, like I said, you postponed with starting your own business for a year because you went in to get the experience and the knowledge. Now you have the experience, the knowledge, and the money, so that way you can start your own business. Now, the person that you're working for, if they have an established cleaning company, you're able to approach them and say, hey, I have X amount of dollars. Can I buy some of your clientele from you? Now, if they're not willing to sell you some of their clientele, you can go to places like buybiz.com, and you can look up people that are selling their cleaning business. And because you already established as a corporation and you have revenue coming into your business, much easier for you you to get business loans, business lines of credit, and business credit cards. So you're ahead of the game from a lot of people, because a lot of people that go into the cleaning business, they're taught, oh, go knock on door to door. But if you follow my process, you will make more money and you will have more clientele than them, because you followed a step-by-step process. So if you want to learn more about how to properly establish your business so that it can grow and so that you can get qualified for funding, check out the link below and check out three-way funding. Thank you.
Yes, that's right. This is all possible now and easy to set up. But just because the path to success is out there doesn't mean it will be easy to follow. You need a guide, someone with experience who knows the way to success. In fact, you could learn more directly below this video.